Team Chef Life. Come to Jamaica. Make sure you book them right away.
Oh my god.
Can I get you funny stuff? Wipe my mind.
Oh my god. Happy birthday. Where's the birthday girl?
One and only advanced deeply boss and a big up Chef Life, you know, on TikTok.
Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Thank you.
I don't know RG150. I represent Chef Life JA. Say break.
Chef underscore life. Please, guys, try the food.
Oh my god. See that food bad.
Wow, you're right. Come on, the money for road, man.
That's it. Oh my god. So yeah, so welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service, okay, with Chef Life J. Yeah, remember, if you have not hit that subscribe button, please do so. Alright, today, yeah, we'll be trying Ackee in a can. Yeah, alright, so all our people here, I'm going to teach you today how to cook Ackee in a can. Okay, then I'm going to make people and tell you how it tastes. If it tastes nice, I tell you that you eat it twice, alright? Yeah, so remember, tell a friend, boy, best Personal Chef Service, alright? Yeah, so let's go. Oh my god. Yay! Alright people, so now we are on the location of Soleil, yeah, and we'll be trying Ackee in a can, alright? Yeah man, and the brand that we'll be using today will be trying ILO, alright? So yeah people, so let's go and welcome to the beautiful Soleil. Okay, let's go there, alright? Yeah, in the Freeport area. Alright people, oh my god, so let's go. Yes, so you don't know, so right now we'll get the ingredients ready for you prepare with Ital Ackee, yeah? Ackee in a can. Alright people, so yo, come on, let's go. Remember now, I'm not just preparing the Ital Ackee in a can, I'm also doing some baked lobster with lemon butter sauce, you know what I'm saying? I'm also doing some baked potatoes as well, yeah, and some stir fry broccoli and cauliflower with some carrot, you know what I'm saying? Yay, for my vegetables, yeah, and also I'm doing some jerk chicken and some coconut shrimp as well. Alright, yay, so come on, let's go. So yo, now I'm prepping my bell pepper and getting all these ingredients ready. Alright, so now I have the red onion. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I like to use red onion because it's much more healthier for your body parts. Oh my god, yay, the white one doesn't contribute nothing for your body parts. Alright, so whenever you're cooking, please try to use all the healthy ingredients to keep yourself healthy. Yay. Alright, and if you have not hit that subscribe button, please do so. Alright, yeah man, so you know, so I get with green onion ready, yeah, also known as scallion. Alright, yes, I'm gonna go and cut these green onions up, yeah, and put aside as well. Yeah people, so come on, let's go, let's get all these good stuff ready so we can cook our Ital Ackee. Alright, yeah, so remember we're trying Ackee in a can. Yay, so if you do not know how to do it, let's go. Yes, scotch bonnet time, you know, so we can't go and cook with Ackee and saltfish without some scotch bonnet. Oh my god, yay, you know, the tomato is so expensive, yeah man, really expensive. Oh my god. So remember, now we're on location, yeah, so all of the items and prep already. Yeah. Oh my god, so take a look from here. So remember we're trying Ackee in a can. Alright, so prepare them. Ingredients now ready. Very nice red onion, some bell pepper, some scotch bonnet pepper, yay, not just the Ackee in the can that we need to hear, but this is what we need focusing on. Right? Yeah. So remember to tell a friend with this Personal Chef Service. Yeah. Oh my god. So let's get ready. Alright, so let's start cooking sharp. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do hit that subscribe button, alright people? Alright, so people, yeah, remember now, so now we're gonna get the ackee in a can ready, right? So the thing is about this, alright, remember I'm not just cooking ackee in a can, you know, I got a lot more stuff on my menu, but my main focus for today will be the ackee in a can, alright? But this is the thing, let me show you.
You were making content well.
Yeah man, I'm making some content, alright, oh my god.
For your IG?
No, this is from my YouTube, yeah?
Oh gosh.
Yeah man.
Okay.
I'm trying.
YouTube channel too?
Yeah, you know, I'm putting in all the work, yeah? Yeah, people remember, alright? Here, I got some nice stir-fried vegetables over here. Alright, here we got some broccoli and some cauliflower. Alright, look at that, yeah? Firm to the bite, alright? And we have some nice coconut shrimps over here. Oh my god. Yeah, and in my oven, alright? See, I have my lobster, yeah? My drumstick and some baked potato. So now, let me get my pot. So first I'm gonna get my pot, alright?
And I'm not saying this again.
Yeah,
But I love traveling with people. I feel like,
and now I'm gonna cook some nice good stuff, alright? Yeah! Alright people, so this is Ital Ackee in a can, alright? So Ital Ackee in a can, alright? So I'm gonna add some oil, alright? So add a little oil for the pot. A little oil for it. So first what I'm gonna do, I add some onions, alright? Red onions. So add some onions to that, yeah? And scotch one. Scotch one, right? Red onion good for the body parts, right? So after we add in red, we can simmer for that in the stove for me. So we adding our ILO ackee, right? Yeah man. Some black pepper. Green bell pepper. Ital Ackee, right people? So remember this is a ackee in a can, alright? Oh my god, trying ackee in a can. Ital, okay? So we're not putting on country. Oh my god, look at it. Tell me now people, look at that. Oh man. Yeah, good stuff, I understand. Yeah. That's the right. Right. Say on our menu today, you know, I'm giving them some baked lobster and lemon water sauce, yeah. Some Ital Ackee, some stir fry rice, some coconut shrimp, and some jerk chicken. Oh my god, served with potatoes. So let's go people. Oh my god, that's good, right? See that? That's so good, right? Yeah man. So let's get this table sitting and going, alright? Oh my god. Oh my god. You see that, ladies and gentlemen? Finish.